Hi everyone, this is Horma from Garden Plant Lover. I'm going to introduce Doochova Yellow Pepper tomatoes. This is one of the most special tomatoes I have grown. They exactly look like peppers, the bell peppers. I grow it for the first time, and this is I feel that it's hollow inside, and it is a stuffing tomatoes. Let's see what the inside looks like and how it tastes like. Yeah, it exactly looks like peppers, and there is a very small, very small amount of gel and seeds there. But the seed formation looks exactly like peppers too. Let me try it to see how it tastes like. Oh, this tomato tricks my brain. It has a true tomato taste. It is sweet, but the walls are a little bit crunchy. It would be a good tomato for the stuffing. I am planning to stuff it with some vegetables. Oh my god, it's very weird tomato. I will see if I want to grow it again or not, but this was fun to grow and to see. There is not much acid there. It is sweet tomato, and it is at the crunchy side, like I said. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, Doochova Yellow Pepper tomatoes.